going to do my science activities. I'm going to do two animals, a dog and a lion. They are both mammals. I'm going to start with the dog. What I need to do is fold two pieces of card in half. I'm going to start with then I need to do to fold these two pieces for ears. Then I need to fold this part for the nose. Now I can fold this, and what I need to do is fold this part like so. Now I need to get my glue and my pink card. What I need to do is put some glue on the back of the card. Then I need to get the face and make it a tongue. Now I can stick the body to the dog. Then I need to put the two googly eyes. Now I can stick the nose onto my dog. I'm going to put some lines with my marker for a nozzle and add details for the legs. And I've finished my dog. Now I'm going to start my second animal. It's a lion. Well, I've got my face and this is the base for the mane. These are the cows for the mane. Here are the pegs for the legs, and here are the googly eyes for the eyes. How I made these rolls is I rolled this piece of paper and then glued the end to make a spiral. What I'm going to do is start with the spirals. So I'm going to glue the bottom part, and then I can start doing them from the middle. I'm going to go bigger and then into a bigger circle. So I've got one, then I need to put more than one in the next circle. Now I finished the mane, and now I can go onto my face. What I need to do is get my pen and draw the face, except for the eyes. Now I can get my eyes. Now I can put the googly eyes. I'm going to add hot glue on the back and stick them down. I'm making sure they're not so close together. Now I can stick the face with hot glue onto the mane. Right here. Now now what I need to do is get these clips and stick the face over here. So we need to add glue from here to here, and we need to do the same thing on the other side. And now we can stick our lion head onto the clip. And we finish our lion.